rid of curly pinky. So let's see this section. You see how far away your pinky is, which is incorrect. We want to be closer. Definitely should not be go under the fingerboard. Now I want you to do an exercise. On every single string. Keep the finger very close to the string while you press. That way you're strengthening your pinky. Also, you have to pay attention to your thumb position and your elbow. A lot of times, if your elbow is too far out, you won't be able to reach the pinky note. So let's try. So that exercise has to be performed when your elbow is quite far in. Should be in line with your rib cage here. Okay. It's far easier when you have your elbow in to reach those notes.